Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. My name's Chris. Now, I wanted to take a couple of moments to show you this. So this has just arrived with us. This is a Range Rover Sport Autobiography. So it's right at the top of the range. It's a great example, finished in arguably the right colour, right wheels, right spec. So I want to take a couple of moments just to show you around some of the key features on this and then hopefully tempt you to come and see it for yourself. So, as I said, it's an autobiography. It's a D350, so it's 350 horsepower, all-wheel drive, diesel, plenty of power on these, finished in Santorini Black with the black exterior pack. So it's definitely dressed really well. We've got the front parking sensors on there as well as at the front forward-facing camera. And then as we come around the side, look at the stance on that. That's gorgeous. 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the red calipers in it. It's been dressed with the front and rear mud flaps on there. We've got the black detail in there, just adds a little bit of extra touches there, but it's subtle being black. We've got the deployable side steps on there as well, and it's sitting really nicely with things like privacy glass. You've got your black mirror caps, there's cameras within those mirrors on there, the deployable door handles, keyless entry. I could waffle on forever about this car, it's lovely. As we come around the back, so obviously we've got a power assisted tailgate on a car like this, huge boot in the Range Rover Sport, and it's nice to know this one has the air suspension as well, which hopefully that's you can, if I press the right button, that is, you can see it's starting to raise up there, or you can lower it down there. So if you're getting something heavy in, it's a great feature to have. And then underneath here you've got a nice little partition there to separate your shopping if you want to keep them nice and still. But if you lift the whole thing up, we've got a space saver spare wheel in there as well, which is a great thing to have. Let's come around the back. In fact, before we go inside, I'll just mention it is an approved used car, so it goes through a 165-point health check. It comes with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, or at the very least a year's warranty, and currently there is an offer if you finance the car for an additional year's warranty as well. Now, those warranty and breakdown cover are provided by Land Rover, so it's valid at any Land Rover dealership. It doesn't have to be Lloyd, but even though we're a bit nicer and friendlier at Lloyd. So in the back there, look at that interior. We've got the Ebony Perforated Leather. It's in great condition. It's clearly not had a hard life whatsoever. And I'll jump in the front and show you what's in there as well. So let's have a little look. So it's an autobiography spec, so it's got lots of different toys on it. Let's get it started up. The car's only done 30,726 miles as of the time of this video. Now, we've got loads of creature comforts as you'd expect in a car of this standard. So we've got heated front seats, we've got a heated steering wheel, we've got a heads-up display which is projecting data onto the windscreen, so I can see the last road sign that we went past, which is the 30-mile-an-hour sign, the speed, what gear you're in, etc, etc. Got an interactive driver's display which you can configure to how you like it. You can have your nice round dials on there, you can have the map on there. I like to have the map on there because it means you can do anything on this screen, you can still know where you're going. We've got adaptive cruise control, we've got memory function seats for the driver and the passenger. And then over here we've got this great system. So this is Pivi Pro. It's an 11.4-inch curved glass touch screen. It's really intuitive, very fast, very quick to use. It does all sorts of features. It's really advanced but really simple to use, and I think that's where the balance needs to be. So we've got things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is wireless, and then you can go into some of your off-road settings as well, because obviously it is, you know, a four-wheel drive Land Rover product. So we've got your weight sensing on there. I don't know if you can hear that as I'm clicking it. It's got what they call haptic feedback, so you can feel a little pulse as you're pressing it, so that when you're driving you know you've pressed it properly. So we've got the 4x4 information there, your diff lock, your weight sensing, and then you've got some nice creature comforts, things like Bluetooth, voice control, DAB radio. You've got your sat nav on there, which you can set to a satellite view as well rather than just a map. And then down here, your dual zone climate control, and you can quickly toggle between those off-roading modes by using this little switch on here instead of going onto the touch screen. Got more storage in there, twin cup holders, and an absolute cavernous amount of storage right down there, and then underneath here, same again on there. Now I've just spotted it's got really cool features. So this is a ClearSight mirror. So currently it's sat being a normal mirror as it would do. Flick that switch and it becomes a direct camera feed from the roof. So if you've got luggage or, you know, larger occupants sat in the back, it's great so you can see exactly where you're going. A nice wide angle lens which you can adjust and adjust the brightness of it as well. And plus, as you're driving it along, you're not having to quickly tweak your mirror every now and again because the camera feed is always, you know, visible from that fixed angle. So it's a great thing to have. As I mentioned before, it's a D350, so there's plenty of power in these. You've really got to drive one to sort of understand that. So I would definitely recommend come and see this car, explore it with one of our specialists, take it for a drive, and hopefully it'll be the right car for you. If you'd like to make an inquiry, we'd love to help. Our contact number is 01642 644 444, or just click the button on this website. Thank you.